Okay, we're going to take you on a tour of the room just in case you were absent when we went through this in class. This way you know where all the safety equipment is and features of the room. So right now I'm standing in the back corner, back right-hand side of the room, so farthest away from, see there's the door to get in here. So that's normally the way you'll get in and out, but again, if you were to turn and look at the door, you're standing at the door that you just came in. This door takes you back in the science area. You shouldn't go back here in case of emergency, unless the other door is blocked, and then this way takes you into some other rooms, some prep rooms, but at least you could get to another exit if you went through this way if you had to. So what else do we have over here? Well, right next to this back door, we have this emergency electrical shutoff button, so that shuts off the electricity and gas to the benches, lab benches, so it does not shut off the overhead lights though, so that's good. And you notice there's actually another one of those over next to the other door. I'll walk by that eventually. We also have the on-off switch for one of the hoods over here, and that is for this closest hood. So these big blue structures here are where you can find the hoods, so that sucks out any gases and vapors we don't want. And I'll tell you when and if we need to work inside there, and there's lights in there if you have to do some work in there. The other hood, which is right next to the first one I showed you, it's on-off switches. If you were to follow around the corner here, behind my bookshelf, there's the other on-off switch over here on the wall. Alright, what else do we have over here? So we have the, sorry if I'm moving too fast, we've got the safety goggles cabinet. We also usually have like a stash of gloves over here on the right-hand side. And we also have the broken glass container, so again, I should be cleaning up broken glass if something is broken. I don't want you touching it and cutting yourself. We also have, let's see here, walk around the back of the room here. Oh, our MSDS folder, so there's that. And again, you can find the MSDS information online as well. We have the fire blanket, should have looked at that. This is back next to the back door here. So we have the fire blanket and the fire extinguisher, which is in here. And we've got the, let's see here, it's the ABC type. It's for all the types of fires that we may come in contact with in here. And let's see here, so this is again the wall farthest away from the door. Where you enter, so this is again looking at the back wall, scanning across. This is just a closet, so don't go in there. So this is the back of the room where you enter, and over here, so here we have our light switch for the lights, and then we've got another emergency electrical switch, and I do have one behind my desk as well for my purposes. Here's the side wall as you walk in to the left side of the room. Got the eye wash station in the front of the room here, and then above it we've got the safety shower. This is again in the front left-hand side of the room, and then if you keep going, you see the third hood, and the on-off switch for the third hood is actually back over here. You can see it between the shelving and the pointing in the right place, between the shelving and the hood itself. And what else do we need to identify? There used to be a fire extinguisher up here. I don't know if we'll get one back or not where that red hook was on the wall. But there's not one there now, so don't mark that down as a location. There is a first aid kit up here, which has some band-aids, but if you get seriously injured, you should go to the nurse and make sure you tell me that you're going. Let's see, what else did we need? Oh, the aprons. So here are the aprons hanging up on the back hooks here. On the wall, probably noticed those. And then lastly, there is also an apron cabinet, which I should have pointed out while I was over here before, but there is the sign for the lab aprons. Hopefully you can see that. There it is. Alright, I think that's everything you were supposed to pick out. So again, where to find the various safety equipment is important, as well as reviewing the safety rules.